Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a classroom picture using Bitmojis. Okay, so first thing you want to do is to go ahead and go to a Google slide. Once you're here, you can click up in the left-hand corner and then drag the box all the way down and click delete. The next thing you want to do is you want to grab a background because that way if you send this slide to anyone, they won't be able to change anything on it. All right, so we'll choose our background. We'll go here and then you can type in wall floor background, which I've already done. Once you type in wall floor background, all of these different types of backgrounds will come up and then you just click on one and then you can click insert and it will appear and then you can click done. Also on this wall, I would like to put a little placard that says Miss Hill's class. So I'm going to go here. Oh no, as a matter of fact, I think I'll just create a text box. I'm going to create it about right here. And then I'm going to click here on the blue line and then I'm going to format and I'm going to make the change the border weight to maybe 4. And then I'm going to click inside the box and then I'm just going to say Miss Hill's class. And then I'll say 2019, 2020. And then I'll click on it again and I like Ultra. And then I'll just go ahead and enlarge the font size. And then I might even go ahead and add some color in here. Clicking on this fill color. And I want to add maybe this color, Miss Hill's class 2019-2020. Okay, so right now we have our background and what we need to do now is to go ahead and add in our different Bitmojis. Oh, one other thing I would want to do is to go ahead and maybe put a bench in here or something for my students to sit on. So I'm going to go here to insert image and then I'll search the web and I'll go ahead and type in transparent and I'll say maybe bench and I'll say maybe cartoon. And the reason I'm saying that transparent is because you don't want anything behind the actual picture itself. So here I have a bench. I'll click on it and I'll just simply click in. I like this one too, but I'll go ahead and click this one and then I'll click insert. And then I can go ahead and resize it however I see fit. And of course, again, you could have added any type of bench in there you wanted. You could have added in some risers. You could have done it however you wanted to. Okay, so now I have the background. So now what I need to do is to go ahead and create my Bitmojis of my students. And hopefully you remember what your students look like. It's probably been a while since you've seen them unless you're doing live lessons. But nonetheless, I'm going to play a little video. And on this video, it will explain to you exactly how to go on your phone and grab and change up your Bitmojis. And then we'll come back to the slides and I'll show you how to import them. Do is to make sure that you have Bitmoji, the Bitmoji app on your phone. And most of us do at this point. But what you're going to have to do in order to make a little Bitmoji for each of your students is you're going to have to change the Bitmoji to reflect each student and then go over to slides and import their picture to slides. So right now we're here on the Bitmoji. And what you can do is actually, let's just go out of here and we're going to start from the very beginning. So what you'll see, again, I'm going to click on Bitmoji. This will be your starting Bitmoji. Then you can go up here to click on settings and then you can click on change avatar style. I like to do bit strips because it seems like they're more hairstyles. So I'm going to use this style. And then I'm going to click on avatar. And then I'm just going to change it to reflect another one of my students. So this particular student has short hair. So I'm going to go through here until I can find some short hair that reflects hers. And that's a good one right there. Next, I'm going to click on the eye shape. And I like this eye shape for her. Eyelashes that are there are fine, which would have been this one here. Pupils, that one's fine. And then I'm going to do eye color. She has a very dark eye color. So I'm going to click that one. And then eyebrows. She has regular little kitty eyebrows, so I'll just leave it the same. Eye color, again, she has dark eyes, which are there. I'm sorry, eyebrow color, which what she has there is fine. And then the nose, let's see, for her nose, if I'm remembering correctly, it's been so long since I've seen all of my students, but I'm going to click on that nose. No glasses, jawline. I'm going to click this jaw. No, I don't like that one for her. Maybe this jawline. Okay. And face shape. Yeah, I think I like, no, that one better. Okay. Then the mouth. I think the mouth is fine as it is. Ears are fine. No cheek lines. No forehead lines. No eye lines. They're all young. No eyeshadow. No blush. No lipstick. Earrings. Yeah, she does wear earrings sometimes. So I'll leave it on that one. No headwear. Body type is the same as the other student. Chest size is the same. And the outfit, I'm going to change it just a little bit. I want to see if I can find a different shirt, although most of my students wear the dark pants and the white shirt, so I think I'm going to leave it as that. I think I'm going to leave hers with the white shirt and the blue bottoms and white. I'm going to change it to dark shoes. No socks, no outerwear. And actually, I'm going to go back because I need to change her hair color. So let's see if we can find, what's this one right here? Oh, no, and I do need to change the skin tone too. So we're going to change her skin tone as well. And there we go, beautiful skin tone. And then hair color, she had really just very dark hair. Very good. I think that reflects her. So then I'm simply going to click save. And then once I go over to my Google Slides, I can import it. So I will show you that next. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our slides, and that's actually the finished product there. But I'm going to go back to this original slide where I imported the bench, and also I made my little placard here with my name on it. And now I'm going to go up here to where you see Bitmoji up towards the right, and I'm going to click on it, and now the Bitmoji is going to reflect that particular student. And I am just going to maybe she has a lot of characters, so I'm going to click on that. And then I'm just going to copy the image. And then I'm going to come over here to my slide, and then I'm going to just paste her. And of course, I can paste her wherever I like. And so for right now, I'm just going to paste her right here and maybe make her a little smaller. Alrighty. And I actually probably should move the bench down some as well. Okay, so that means that we have one student that's right here. Now, what you would have to do is if you want to put in the rest of your students, again, you would have to go back to your phone and then simply go back to settings and change the avatar to reflect your other students. And yes, this does take quite some time. All right, so I just want to show you what the finished product looks like for me. And here are all of my students. And here's me over here. And we got a little box here because we're playing a little bit of music. So this is not your traditional sort of class photo, but it is, a photo of my class, or will be a photo of my class. Okay, so now what you can do with this, now that you've added in all of your avatars of your students and you've added yourself in, you can go up here and name it. And I've already named it here, but you can type in school picture of whatever you would like. And then if you want to, you can actually go to File, Download, and then go save it as PNG image. And what it'll do is it will go ahead and save it as an image. And so then you can put this image wherever you would like. You can put